Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be explaining to you guys how you can delete your Wolt account. So let's get right into it. Now, you cannot do this through the app. However, there is one way which is technically through the app. And what you want to do, I know you can do this through the website. I don't know if you can do this through the app. However, if you go into profile and into your settings, you can go to your account settings, and once you're here, you will be able to contact a support specialist somewhere, I think, or if not, then you might be able to find it here. If you don't see it in the actual application, just go to the website and you should see it there. However, once you contact a specialist, you can, or rather a support team member, you can directly to them state that you want to put in a account deletion request. You do not need to specify exactly why you are deleting the account, since it's protected by GDPR and CCPA. So once you do it, they'll probably listen to your or honor your wishes and delete your account. Another way is to contact them directly through the actual email service, and once you contact their support email, do the same thing. Send them the account information, send them why you want to delete the account. If it's all right by you, you don't have to if you don't want to. And that is pretty much the two of the ways. One more way, which is not technically deleting your account, but it works just as well. You can just delete the Wolt app from your device and you should be set with it. However, your account will still exist. Whenever you download it again, you will have the account ready to go. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.